Philippine Coast Guard lang ang kayang bulihin ng China. Matapang yan na sinabi ni Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos. Dito makikita raw na takot ang China ng may paggera sa Pilipinas at Amerika. Kung mahalata nyo, walang Chinese Coast Guard ang nakita noong nandoon ang Philippine Navy warships. Kaya ang kaya lang nilang bulihin ay ang maliliit na barko ng Pilipinas. Takot yan mga Chinese na yan pag actual na gera na ang kakaharapin nila.
They did not disrupt the operations. We, according to our security, according to our protocols, we have to challenge their presence here. And ang sabi nila, they're operating within their jurisdictional authority, which we they consider to be false, and that's not correct. So we told them that they are operating within our exclusive economic zone, and we're doing the MCA within the exclusive economic zone, and only the Philippines has a jurisdiction over this area. Distance, they were a lot farther than when we usually see them during the Rore and Ayungin. They were very, very close. And this time, they kept their distance about 3 to 4 miles. So medyo malayo naman if you compare that to
the Rore missions.
The distance we see during Rore missions.
Pero papaano na lang kung maging agresibo talaga ang China sa Philippine Navy warships? Dito nakahandaan niya ang Pilipinas lumaban kung magkakagera. Walaan niyang aatrasan ang Philippine Navy na anumang banta sa kanilang seguridad. Sa totoo pa niyan, may plano na ang Pilipinas at ang Amerikang maglunsad ng pag-atake sa China kung aatakihin tayo nito. Dito agad na maglulunsad nga ng opensibang pag-atake ang Pilipinas at Amerika laban sa mga Chinese.
We're ready for that in case they elevate their actions from shadowing to dangerous maneuvers. We prepared for that. We have our rules of engagement already. All the participating ships, they know already what to do in case they escalate into a dangerous maneuvers. But like I said kanina, we're very happy, the successful and safe provoking anybody. This is the exercise or the MCA is a routine goodwill activity, and it is designed to enhance our interoperability with the Americans, with the United States, who are our treaty partners, and it is designed to promote regional peace and security in the West Philippine Sea in particular.
Talagang gera ang pinaghahandaan ng mga Pilipino at Amerikano. Pero talagang dapat tong paghandaan anumang oras dahil posibleng manakop talaga ang Chinese sa West Philippine Sea para sa oil at natural gas ng ating bansa. Kayo, pabor ba kayo sa mga sinasagawang pagsasanay ng Pilipinas at Amerika? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.